So maybe you post some kind of memes and content on your Facebook page, but then people unknowingly simply share your post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will show you how you can disable the share button on Facebook. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. How to disable the share button on your Facebook profile or your account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app. Once you have updated Facebook, I'm going to open it and I will show you a couple of things which you can do in order for people to prevent sharing your post from your timeline. The very first thing you want to do is simply tap on the menu bar. On iOS, it is at the bottom right corner of the screen. On Android, it is at the top right corner. We're going to scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Simply tap on settings and privacy, and then you can go to the option called settings again. Once you come to the settings page, what you want to do is in the search box, you want to simply type in profile and tagging. Now I'm using the search box because sometimes you will not be able to find in within the interface. So in the search results, you can see this option which says profile and tagging. All you have to do is simply tap on profile and tagging. As soon as you do that, you can see it says allow others to share your post. What you can do is simply tap on it once, and you have to make sure that this is toggled off. So simply select the no button which you see. This will prevent people from sharing your posts to their story. And after you do this, what you can do is you can come back, and we're going to come back to our profile page, for example, and go to the post on which you want to disable the Facebook share button. So let's say this one right over here. Simply tap on the three dots next to that particular post, and you have to select the option which says edit privacy. Go ahead and tap on edit privacy, and here you want to simply select friends. When you select any friends, people who are not friends on Facebook will not be able to share your Facebook or your Facebook feed and so on. Now unfortunately, there is no way to disable the share button from your friends list. In that case, what you can do is you can simply select only me, but that will also not let people see your post. When you select friends, people will not be able to see your post, and as a result they will not be able to share it as well. You can see the see more privacy options over here. Unfortunately, this is how Facebook is working on these days. You will not be able to do so. You can simply tap on the friends button and leave it to friends in order to stop general public from sharing your post. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.